From the creators and world leaders in the wireless control of boats, evolving for 25 years, the latest member of Yacht Controller family, introducing Maximo, the ultimate yacht controller, a leap forward in advanced boating technology unmatched in the industry. Over 100 times more powerful and safer than any other remote available. Protect your life, property and assets with the ultimate controller. Dual band and joystick transmitter, transceiver, available also in the Supremo configuration for super and mega yachts. View, manage and diagnose your Maximo or Supremo controller from anywhere in the world via Wi-Fi. Complete integration to Raymarine, Garmin or your navigational screen. Full flexibility to manipulate all settings using any smart device and mirror image on your navigational system. Eliminate all interference between you and your yacht using 64-bit quad-core processing with dual-band frequency scrolling over 100 channels for total security and redundancy. Maximize control of your vessel with range available in excess of 650 feet. Modify and set the proportional or incremental control of engines and thrusters instantly. Receive remote technical support via Wi-Fi without the need for a technician on board. When traveling or in a new marina, quick select from the 5 preset profiles to immediately suit onboard conditions. Multifunctional capability for dual anchors, swim platforms, cable masters and more. Thousands of happy customers, over 20 years of experience and more than 26,000 systems installed in hundreds of boat brands around the world. Yacht Controller commitment to excellence is endorsed by major electronics, boat companies, brokers and marine professionals. Maximo by Yacht Controller, the undisputed leader in wireless remote yacht control technology. For more information, visit us at yachtcontroller.com.